what's up? My name is Sydney, and welcome to my series called Knowing Your True Self. So I feel like it's a really important topic to touch on because I feel like this isn't talked about enough in this day and age. Social media just runs everything. So if you can get a good message on social media, then why not do it? A series that can help maybe the people that feel lost. I felt lost for a really long time. I had no idea, what I wanted to do, what I wanted to be, what kind of person I was. So I feel like you can't truly be happy until you're happy with who you are. And the first part of that is just knowing who you are. So, like I said, in this series, we're going to go through 5 specific topics that I think are very important on knowing yourself and loving yourself. So my first episode is simply going to be on knowing yourself, knowing who you are. First thing is going to be religious beliefs. I feel like this is going to be the first thing that you need to know about yourself as a person, because it's going to define a lot of things that you do in your everyday life, and it's going to define other aspects of yourself. I feel like it's very important to know what your religious beliefs are. If you believe in God, if you believe, in Mother Earth, if you believe in, Buddha, whatever, you need to, figure that out. Do a little bit of research, educate yourself, find what calls to you, find what makes the most sense to you. That's going to be where you need to start, in my opinion. Second thing is going to be political views. So I feel like the religious beliefs that you have kind of carry into the political beliefs that you have as an adult. 3, so your all-around moral compass. So how you feel as a person, what makes you a good person, what you stand for morally, kind of goes back again to the religious beliefs, which is why I said it's probably first. Basically, your moral compass is going to be where your morals lie. So if you think that it's wrong to steal, then don't steal. If you think that it's wrong to lie, then don't lie. It's as simple as that. Number 4, what makes you happy as a person? If it's going outside, if it's, playing with your pets, your dog, your cat, whatever, if it's, spending time with your kids, if it's, spending time with your family, you just need to hone in on what makes you happy and figure that out, because that's honestly what you need to dedicate the majority of your time to, is doing things that make you truly happy. And number 5, how you see yourself. So you just need to figure out how you feel about yourself. If you're okay with how you act, what you do in your life, and if you think that it's proper, or you think that it's right, or following your religion, or, following whatever political views you may have, or whatever, whatever. This can be how you feel about yourself physically, how you feel about yourself mentally, spiritually, universally. It's just all around. You need to figure out, honestly, those 4, physically, mentally, spiritually, universally. Knowing how you feel about yourself honestly brings so much inner peace and can have such a healthy effect on you, with your mental stability. It's made me a lot more of a positive person, and I just think it's really helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments down below. Next week we're going to be talking about the next topic in this series. So please hit that like button down below, leave a comment, let me know if you think that this is helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching my first video on knowing your true self. Stay tuned next week for my second video. If you can, stick with me through the whole thing, okay? Because it's going to be kind of fun. But yeah, So I'll see you guys next week with that. And if you want to follow me on social media, you can. It's at Sydney's Poisonous on Instagram, at Perfect Poison Shop on Instagram, and at Sydney's Poisonous YouTube on Instagram. So the Perfect Poison Shop, that is actually my jewelry shop. I do make jewelry. It's on Etsy. If you want to go take a look, I'm doing a 50% off sale until the 25th of December. So go get your shit 50% off while you can. But I will see you guys next week.